how to fix Instagram live option not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram live option not showing, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. Before that, make sure that you've updated your application. After updating your application, your live option might be available. Or just open up your Instagram and then go with the camera option, which will be in the top left, or your story option, and go with the camera. Now here, as you can see, that you will have a post option, then story, then reel. But here, beside reel, you will have an option of live. But if you don't find the live option, then what you can do is open up your settings and clear the cache, because it fixes your glitches. So go with search, or just simply go back, tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info. From the app info, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or the next thing you can do is just simply go and restart your phone, as restarting the phone clears temporary bugs or frozen permissions that might block the camera access. Next thing you need to check is a proper internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, and also try toggling off the VPN or proxy services if you are connected to a VPN or a proxy app. See if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then again tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info. Now here you need to go with permissions, and under permissions, if you've not allowed the camera permission, you need to go and allow it. Allow only while using the application, and then go with the microphone, make sure that it is also allowed, and photos and videos. Now you can just simply go back and open your Instagram application. Now if you are on a business or a creator account, then sometimes the live option might be missing. So tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top. Now you need to scroll down and then go with creator tools and controls. And under that, you will have account type and tools, and you will need to just simply go and switch your account to personal account and see if that fixes your issue. Or you can just simply go and log out of your account and then uninstall your Instagram application, and then again install it and log back into your account, and your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.